This waterfall is a medium-sized waterfall. It's about 10 feet wide by 5 feet from step one. I built this in a raised area. It was raised 12 inches. And I was able to carve on the towel the rock as well, so that's why it looks kind of big. But in reality, it's about 3 feet high from that raised area. I did some planters on the left side next to the waterfall as well, and another planter on the right. It's a beautiful project, a lot of detail. And again, this is about a medium-sized waterfall. I'm going to stand next to it. It's a beautiful project. We use a combination of yellows and terracottas. We have a really nice cracks, very natural on top. It's kind of a granite, a little bit of that kind of look. The grotto looks beautiful. As you see, there is a lot of detail to this one. A lot of detail. Beautiful grotto. Again, our phone number is 407-947-4146, Aquarock, and our website is www.aquarockpools.com. Aquarockpools.com. See you in the next project.